Hello everyone. Today we are going to introduce our new machine ZB601S. This machine is special for some items with irregular shape and irregular length. Okay, let's start from the conveyor section. We know for normal flow pack machine, we will see some pitches and we will see some pushers on the conveyor, because if the items are of very regular shape, we will need the pushers to fix the location and also the length of the item. But for this machine, because we have to fit it for irregular items, so we have only the belt here as a conveyor of the items, and we use this stainless steel bar and also the light sensors to fix the location and also the length of the item. So with the light sensor to sense the length and the location of our product here, the sensor will give a signal to the end seal. Like every 50 mm or every 100 mm, we give a signal to make a cut for our products and make it the end sealing to make a perfect packing. And then the next, we can see at the bottom of the conveyor, there are two film loaders here. So with these two film loader, we will also have an auto splicing function. What is an auto splicing function? Auto splicing function means that you are carrying out one order on the film loader A, and the next order you are going to use the film loader B for different pictures on the film, and you can do the splicing. It can cut the old film and the splice with the new film immediately in a flash. That means if we want to change from order A to order B, there will be no time for you to change the order, and this will highly increase your efficiency during your production. So as the product goes, we will go into the packing and sealing section. Because the film is from the bottom, we have the mid sealing from top. For the mid sealing, as the standard configuration, we can see the big sealing wheels here for pressing and sealing. And there's a preheating blocks here, and also there's a final sealing wheels for enforcement. With this sealing part, of course, there will be a temperature adjustment and a temperature sensing device right here. So we can also see how we are going to adjust the temperature. We are going to adjust the temperature from the three temperature regulators here. The three temperature regulator, we can see this one is with a triangle symbol. It is for the cutter, and this one is with a circle symbol. It is for the sealing wheels, and the third one is with a square block. So we can also see it is for the preheating device. So after the mid sealing section, the conveyor is going on. This part of conveyor is not only have a belt at the bottom, it also has a belt from top. The top belt is not ordinary belt, it's a sponge belt. The sponge belt here is not only having a function of conveyor, it also have a function to press the item. So the pressure here will fix the location and the direction of the item. So it is not going to move to the wrong direction like this, or have the shape before. So it's a very good preparation for the next step of the end sealing. After the mid sealing and the conveyor, we will come to the end sealing section. For the end sealing section, here we are using a single knife here for the cutting. And for the special demand of the customer, we also customize the end sealing with this little slot here, so that after the cutting we will have a little slot on the end sealing. With this slot, the pack of bag can be hung on the wall or somewhere you want to hang it. And as a protection and a support for the end sealing, we will also have some stainless steel bars here for the conveyor. So it has a very good function for protection as well as the conveyor. And after the pack is coming out from the end sealing cutter, there will be a brush roll here. So the brush roll with the bottom conveyor belt, they work together to move the item out there. So after the last conveyor, we are going to have a collector right here to collect all items. So it's very easy to set the temperature from our temperature regulators here. First, I will press the set button here, and I will adjust the temperature from the downwards or upwards button. Like today, I want to set it for 155 degrees Celsius. So I'm going to set it to 155 degrees. Then I press set one time and the second time, and the temperature setting is done. There is a very easy setting HMI for this machine. As we can see, we can set the back length here, the speed here, and also the finished back, like how many numbers we are going to cut. We can also set. And the third one is the iMark Pro, which means it can detect the width of the packed item, and this another is the width where we are going to cut the item in the pack. Let me show you how to do the setting. Like back setting, we can also do it like this. Then we press enter. The setting is done. And for speed also, like I want to cut it 80 pieces a minute, 80. Then enter. Then it's done. And here we can also turn on the iMark or turn it off, and also we can also turn on or turn off the cutter or the pusher. Actually, the pusher here is only for the belt. We all turn it on, and the start and the stop all from the HMI. So the operation is very easy for the operators. Let's take this cable tray as a sample to show you how we are going to pack the irregular shaped items. So we can see how perfectly and how quickly it is finished this packing. Let's place something bigger. Okay, while it is finished, we can see how regular this item is, and how well and how perfectly our machine is packing this item. Thanks everyone. Thank you for watching this video, and have a nice day and have a good business. Thank you.